it has a bit of a wobble. Although it's 3-speeded, just once is okay, because it's hard to get to. There's that wobble. Whole chain hasn't been touched for forever. I think eventually I might try to see if I can get this fan. How does that not touch?
Hey.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Alright, I'm just gonna sit on the stairs and watch it spin down.
God.
So actually, originally these blades had tips to them, but it was so close to the wall that it would just hit it whenever they turned it on, which it hasn't been turned on besides me being here for I don't know, not counting me turning it on, it hasn't been turned on since probably the 90s. But every time I come here, I turn it on at least once. So, but sorry about the background noise, but there was originally tips. I don't know if you can see that well. The stencil kind of shows it, but they hit the wall when they turned it on. I believe this is actually either 48 inch or 42 inch. I'll have to measure. Yeah. Maybe it's 36 inch. I honestly can't tell. Alright, I think that's it.
Stop it.